Guys, it's Franco. So, we're here again, telling you about the stock that I just found out. This time, it's on the health sector called Sorrento Therapeutics. So, let me give you a backstory of how I found this. So, if you had watched my videos before, I'm very big on tech companies such as Tesla, Microsoft, and Apple. But in a good portfolio, especially, I'm not really smart on picking the stocks. I'm not like Warren Buffett who magically pick Coke and suddenly it pops. I'm not like that. So I had to diversify my account. So what I did, I had Humana and CVS, but Humana right now is running about $400 and I can't afford it at the moment. And I needed a stock within the healthcare sector that's cheaper, preferably under $20. So I found SRNE, Sorrento Therapeutics. Now, should you invest in it? That's what I'm gonna talk about in this video. Now, I did invest in it, but it doesn't mean that it works for you. I'm gonna tell you what I found out about this company, and hopefully I can make you decide if it works for you or not. Alright? So like I said, I'm an investor. So meaning investing for me is like at least 6 months to a year of investing and not pulling out your money. So don't pull out early if you're investing. So without further ado, let's go on into this video. All right. So, Sorrento Therapeutics. How I found out is I basically found it out using Webull. There's like all sorts of IPOs out there, and I found Sorrento Therapeutics. What they're special or unique about is at this time of recording, Covid-19 is still out at large, roaming around. Economy is really poor right now. Stimulus check, round 2 is about to come up. And I needed to invest. I found it. Sorrento Therapeutics. What they are dealing right now is the tests. Right now, if you go to your doctor or clinic, that takes about 48 to 72 hours before you get the results. It's really far, really long, in my point of view. Especially, there's a mass of people going into clinics just to do that. And what's bad about it, they sent the samples, your saliva or nostril mucus sample, to lab somewhere. I don't know where, but it takes 72 hours. And the problem with that is you can get a false positive or a false negative, because you can be negative right now, but what if tomorrow you caught something from another coworker or a friend or your family member at home? And that's bad, right? So this company is trying to do on-site, in the right-away test. So the test comes in a tube. So that makes it really easy for us to test ourselves, because they're promoting that it's going to be home use too, if ever. And some financial analyst is saying it's about $15 a test. So he also mentioned that if this goes along, the company's gonna make like about 50 million. So that's a lot of money. And I keep saying if. Yes, there's an if. The FDA or Food and Drug Admin haven't approved this test yet because they need concrete samples and an actual conclusion on if the test actually works. Like I said, if they approve it. Now this company is developing that. Buying and investing in this company is a gamble. All right, let's just clarify everything. It is a gamble because if they don't have the product yet approved by the FDA, but they partnered with Columbia University already to do the tests and samples, and that's good. That's good. And at this time of recording, they have around. They're not a big company. They're really small. Around 3,600 employees. And like I said, it's very volatile. If you buy the stock right now, it's worth around 12 to 13 bucks a piece. Now, if you look at my Fidelity account, I bought it at 8 or 9 bucks a piece. So I'm positive. I'm up. I gambled my money. I have 120 stocks or positions, securities, whatever you call it, at the moment. And that's what I like, because I researched on them and I found out that they're trying to do some new thing about the COVID, even though it's not a cure. It's just how fast the testing process, and I like it. I like that idea. So I invested in them. The downside is it's not approved by FDA yet, Food and Drug Administration. So up until that's approved, I'm not certain if I'm gonna go actually be positive on the company itself. But if it's approved and you started investing in them, it might be too late and might be too high, or it's reached its highest limit already. Like Tesla at the moment, it reached its highest limit of $1,500 a piece. It can't go up anymore. Maybe because of the coronavirus or whatever, but it reached the top already. All right. So I invested on them, and then hoping that a few months from now, their company will go off. Again, this is a company that's very volatile. Okay, the stock may fall down, and don't invest your money if you're investing your last penny. So I always disapprove that. Okay, and watch a video, my videos, like how to buy the stocks, like the stable ones in here, right here, if you want to know more about investing. And I don't usually pull out from my Fidelity account, like I always say. I have Webull and Robinhood, which is like my play money kind of a thing, but my Fidelity account, as much as I can, I don't pull out. Because that's my retirement. Don't get me wrong. So, before I let you go, click on the list description below if you want to join Webull or Robinhood and get free stocks. Whatever you choose is better than not investing. Okay, if you're just watching this for fun. I chose Webull because they have 2 stocks for free. And when you join, obviously, when you deposit some money, if you get your 2 stocks for free and you change your mind, just cash it out and go on with your day, right? Like I always say. And if you want fractional shares, Robinhood will give you that, but you will have to fall in line, like a sign up for it, but it's free. And I also have SoFi, which will give you $50 if you sign up for their investment account. Just click on the video below, click on the description below. Alrighty, like and subscribe to my channel, and hoping that you are safe in these rough times, and I wish you luck. Bye.